Yeah, good morning VCC 2021. How are you all? I hope you are doing well, and it's our online event. Myself, Surinder Singh, and I belongs to Jodhpur, Rajasthan. It's a small place in India. I come from a very humble background. Very humble means my father was teacher, and I never ever think about the business. I did my BSc nursing. After doing my BSc nursing, only one thing was in my mind. As usual, all family members and all our parents, they used to say, "Beta padho likho aur naukar bano. Beta padho likho aur naukar bano." That was my goal in my life. That was my dream in my life. I did my study. I got a good job in Central Government Hospital, New Delhi, that calls Safdarjung Hospital. I got job. I was very happy. I was doing the job. While doing the job, there was no aim. I was going to office and come back home. Office to home, office to home, office to home, office to home, as chief says. I was doing this thing, and I was not aware about anything. So one fine day, my referral upline, Dr. Abhishek Bhai, I always say 100 times thanks. I always say thanks to this person. He came in my life and he brings QNet. He was doing prospecting to someone else, and when he was doing prospecting to someone else, I just approached him. And I told him, "Bhai, aap kya karte ho?" He told me that he is doing a huge international business project. I told him, "What is the business, bro?" He told, "Don't worry, bro. I will let you know each and everything about the business." Then one fine day, he just showed me the business presentation. I didn't understand anything, guys. Really, I'm telling you, I didn't understand anything about the business. What is the business? What they told me. But one thing was clear in my mind, that I wanted to do something extra after office to home, office to home, office to home, office to home. I wanted to do something extra in my life. That was the thought in my mind. And after that showing presentation, again I told him, "Bro, what to do? What to do? Okay, business is good, everything is good, but what to do in the business?" He told, "Bro, just be with me next 4 to 5 years, next 5 to 6 years. We will do whatever I will do, we will do it together." Then, second day when I went there, they showed me the financial presentation. In financial, I just got one click. In financial presentation, I got one click, and that was, if you fail 99.75% or if you get success 0.25%, still you earn a huge amount of money. I mean, huge amount of money that I will never ever think, I never ever thought that I'll be able to earn that much money. But I told myself, I discussed with myself, I discussed that, "Surinder, if you fail 99.75%, still you get a lot of money. You are not that much failure." I was not failure in my life. If I'm not failure in my life, I will not be failure in business also. So I decided, and I took my decision, I took my call, and I started business in 2015 January. That was in Delhi. It's Delhi. Whether you don't know, if you are in Delhi, you know that December, January and February is very nice weather, it's cold weather. So in that, after office hour, after my hospital duty, I used to be in the association. Initially, my uplines, they took charge. They told, "Surinder, we are with you." They guided me. I stayed 3 to 4 months in their house. I watch each and everything. I watch all chiefs' videos, all Sati Sinati Raja's videos, all Dato's videos, all training modules. I completed my books and DVDs. When I completed all these things, I came to know that this is something huge. It's not small. It's not lollipop, bro. So I started working on this business project. I completed my hot zone sign up since one week time. I told my brother, I got a huge opportunity. He told that I don't have money. I told, "Brother, whatever it takes, you do it, and you do your hot sign up." Today, I have all brothers are in the business. My friends, I haven't given any chance to anyone that they think twice that or they refuse, उनको मना करने का मैंने कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं छोड़ा. मैंने बोला I am doing, you need to do with me, that's all. बिकॉज मैंने देख लिया था ये बिजनेस बहुत बड़ा है. इट कैन चेंज माई लाइफ, नॉट माई लाइफ, माई फैमिली लाइफ, माई फ्रेंड्स लाइफ, माई ब्रदर्स लाइफ, माई नेटिव लाइफ. And we started working in 2015. In 2015, my faith and belief was up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. But then I got a good opportunity. That was Weekon Malaysia 2015. When I went there, I'm telling you guys, I'm telling you, believe or not believe, जैसे ही मैं एरिना में एंटर हुआ, I just couldn't believe, I just shocked. मेरे मुंह से एक ही चीज निकली, वाव, ऐसी भी दुनिया होती है, इतने सारे लोग. एंड it took me 5 to 10 minutes to recover from that things. And then I decided in that week on, after Chief's module, dream session module, that bro, I need to fulfill my parents' dream. बिकॉज हमेशा यही लगता है, माँ बाप की जिम्मेदारी होती है बच्चों को पढ़ाना लिखाना एंड उनका एजुकेशन कंप्लीट करना. बट व्हाट इज माई ड्यूटी टूवर्ड्स देम? आई नेवर रियलाइज दैट थिंग. बट ऑन दैट डे, फाइन 2015 day 2, in dream session module, I realized that things. And my faith and belief gone up, 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 up. When I seen Dato, when I seen Jappa, when I seen multinationals, other countries, all are in one platform. And when I seen the in-service, why I'm wearing today this in-service uniform? I'm proud of this concept of in-service. Because nowhere anyone have this discipline. This is the discipline, and that you can earn while doing the business. So that's how my journey started. I started working. I quit my job in 8 months. I was in central government job and I quit. Then my upline told me that, bro, you buy German. I bought the German. I maxed out in 18 months. People used to say it's a scam. People used to say that it's not going to work. People used to say that company aati hai jati hai. I'm telling you, I only one thing will tell you: believe on yourself. I believed on myself. First, I believed on myself. If I believe on myself, company will come secondary. We start judging ourselves. I'll be able to do or not. I'll be able to sign up people or not. Oh, don't need to think about all these things. If you will be there, people will come. People will come, definitely come. Where people came with me? मेरे सारे दोस्त मेरे साथ में कैसे आए? How I started, no one was with me. But slowly and gradually, I just followed one thing that Chief used to say: keep doing presentation. Your calling plan UV, calling plan UV, calling plan UV, calling plan UV. That is my mantra. Now their future is in our hand. My future on my upline's hand. My upline's future on our company's hand. Company is not saying you to do the wrong things. It's people do the wrong things. I am blessed. Thank you, all of you, and I will be very happy. I am very happy to share this journey. And one thing lastly I'm saying you, IAP Birjesh Bhai, Sipra ma'am, Yasu ma'am, I'm saying you from my bottom of heart, please keep guiding us. Keep doing. Presentation calling, sign up. Keep doing. Business will happen. You need to stand strong. Business will happen. That's my mantra. I love you all. Thank you.